guys, meet me again with Andri from Indoas.com. This time, a journey of Indonesian food in America. We're going down south to Atlanta, Georgia. My friend told me they have really nice restaurant they call Java Tempoe. I'm so excited about it, and now I'm about a couple more hours away from the restaurant. Alrighty guys, let's check this out together, shall we? What's going on guys? Meet me again with Andri from Indoas.com. After 16 hours driving away from the city, today we are at Doeloe, Georgia. We're going to go to see Indonesian restaurant called Java Tempoe. This restaurant located at In-Town Plaza. Alrighty guys, I don't want to wasting my time anymore. I'm so excited to check it out. Let's do it. Hello there.
Hello, hey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
My name is Andre from Indoas.com.
Okay.
I was wondering if you have a minute for us. We would like to talking to you about your restaurant.
Sure.
Excellent.
Okay. So, please.
Alrighty guys, now in front of me we have Ibu Rina. She's actually the one who in charge and manage the whole operation of the restaurant. Ibu Rina, apa kabar Ibu? Alright, excellent. Can you tell me a little bit the stories about Java Tempoe?
Okay. Thank you for stopping by our place.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
Actually, I know this restaurant been established for 5 years.
5 years, okay.
And the first owner is like one guy from Surabaya,
Okay.
Mr. Daniel. And then after that, the second owner is like Joseph from Surabaya too.
Alright.
So now we are the third owner.
Oh, okay.
But actually I'm just in charge of the whole operation.
I see. How long ago that you guys taking over this business?
It's almost 2 months.
2 months, so it's pretty new, right?
Yeah, very good.
So how is it? How is it? You excited so far?
Yeah, I love it. So because I can see and meet the whole Indonesian community of
That's
the
really
United
nice.
States.
Right, right.
Right now we serve like halal meals.
Great.
Everything with the ingredients of food also like halal.
Awesome.
It's not like non-halal, it's not like everything is halal.
That's correct.
Only the meat halal, but the way they cook, sometimes the ingredients are like not halal.
That's correct. And also, tell me a little bit of who's your customer? Who's mostly coming to the restaurant here?
Our customer right now is like, we have only 45% Indonesian community.
Okay.
But then the race is like Korean, Thai, Chinese, and more Bangladesh,
Okay,
Myanmar.
excellent.
Yeah, because
Interesting.
right now they come here because the owner is Muslim.
Oh, okay.
And then the one in charge also is Muslim, so they are more trust.
I see.
Our cook.
Right,
So,
right.
like, for sure, like,
That's actually a good achievement there. Next question. Tell me a little bit about the best seller, the most favorite dishes that people normally order at the most.
the most like Tempoe is like grilled chicken, ayam bakar kecap, ayam bakar penyet, ayam bakar rujak.
Nice.
So I think because our chicken is good,
Okay.
we use the cornice head.
I
You
see.
know,
I
but
see.
I know it's really hard to find our person
Right.
that will try our best. You know, like we have to find like from China
Isn't it koshimos?
Yes, it is customers. Sometimes the customer don't understand the complaint why the chicken different.
Okay.
They don't understand how hard to ask.
Right. So you gotta explain it to them.
Right.
But I believe if they understand the reason, they will go with that, right?
Yeah, after maybe take time for them to accept and understand.
Understand it? Yeah, definitely.
Why exactly why right now is different.
Right. It's just like a natural business, like something changing, like something along the people sometimes they're questioning why. It's just like natural business. Okay, and then it's gonna be the last question, because like I believe me and also my audience in the house, we would like to see one of the dish that you think is the best seller and you think you can show us how to make it. What would it be?
I think our way to show you how to cook our chef, like Chef Balado.
Ikan balado, yeah? What kind of fish? Yeah.
It's like actually in Indonesian language ikan bawal.
Oh, okay. Right.
And then so we sometimes customer ask us why.
Okay.
And then we put like hot chili on the top.
Okay, so they have a choice. They can go with the grill and also they can go with the deep fry, right? Okay.
But I prefer grill.
Especially people these days, they're concerned about their health and it's definitely going to go with the grill. But anyway, I'm so excited about that. Can we just check it out? You can let's see how the chef make in the kitchen. All right, thank you. Alright guys, basically right now we're done with the little interview about little stories about Chef at Tempoe Doeloe, and now we're about to go to the kitchen. Basically, she's gonna introduce us with the chef behind the line, and then he's gonna show us how to make either crispy or grilled chicken. It's a grilled fish, crispy fish with Indonesian spicy sauce. Alright guys, I'm so excited. Let's check this out.
Selamat datang di BRI Mobile. Transaksi mudah, cepat dan aman lewat dua pilihan cara bertransaksi. Mobile Banking BRI dan Internet Banking BRI. Untuk apapun transaksi Anda, BRI Mobile bisa diakses di iPhone, BlackBerry, dan Android. BRI Mobile, life is life. Info lebih lanjut hubungi call BRI 14017.
Alright guys, now we are already inside of the kitchen of Java Tempoe Doeloe. Next to me we have our chef, and also he's the guy behind the line running the kitchen here, and his name is Chef Johnny. How are you today?
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks, great, thank you for having us today. Tell me a little bit what you're gonna cook, what you're gonna show us, what you're gonna cook today.
Probably today I'm going to cook some this peppermint fish.
Peppermint fish?
Yep, right here.
So in Indonesia, what would we call it peppermint? They call it I think like bawal maybe, bawal or pomfret. Maybe Indonesian people well known with bawal. So what else? What should you put it in the fish itself?
Probably we're going to put some this spicy sauce.
Okay.
You can come with garlic,
Okay.
onion,
Nice.
and this fresh chili blended.
So you blended the chili itself, right? Got
Blended
it.
fresh chili sauce. And cut some fresh chili.
Okay.
And the main ingredient is this
The lemongrass.
lemongrass.
Lovely. So this one you cut it and you put it on there, right?
And this lemongrass too for the garnishing.
Okay. Awesome. I'm so excited.
Probably continue to fry about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay. So you're saying you deep fry it first a little bit? And
Then you fry it, then we prepare some spicy sauce.
So basically guys, what he's saying here, after he marinated the chicken itself, he's gonna deep fry it over here. While we prepare the fish, he's gonna start putting all the ingredients of the sauce. Am I right?
Yep.
Yes.
And right now we're gonna put some of this lemongrass on it. Stir it for a couple of minutes. And we're gonna put a fresh chili on it.
Right. I smell the flavor already.
Yeah.
It's really good. Especially like the lemongrass itself.
Ready for a while. And we're gonna put some salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar.
That's
A
about
little
half
seasoning,
spoon,
right?
Yeah, half spoon of salt and half spoon of sugar.
Okay.
That's it.
This is actually a pretty simple menu, right?
Yep. And we will stir it for a while. Okay. And as you can smell the chili flavor.
It's pretty.
Yep.
The chili itself is pretty strong smell, right?
Yep.
That's
Red chili. And you're gonna put the fresh chili on it.
well, you put it on the top. That little chop.
Okay. And almost done. You're gonna put this lime leaf on top.
Okay. That's like a little citrusy flavor from the lime. Gotcha.
Okay. And the fish is almost ready.
How long it takes normally for you to deep fry the
Around like 15 minutes.
50 minutes. Okay.
That's the fish is prepared.
Nice. So you actually not grill it, but you deep fry.
Deep fry, yeah.
I see, because I thought we were gonna grill it. But anyway, this basically look really good for me. There, you wanna show it the fish in front of the camera so people in the house see how it look like? Doesn't it look really good, guys? Isn't it like you guys wanna have a fish right now? The fish flavor is like really, really good right now. Awesome. So let's put in the plate right here. And then,
Rice.
okay. Rice is always go with any dish, right?
Yeah.
That's like Asian meal. Always goes with the rice. So chef, do you mind if I give you a little taste about this chicken? I mean, with the fish?
Go ahead. Right.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, as you know, this is my favorite part. Every time I'm going for culinary adventure, this is what I'm looking for. Trying the dish. Okay. Trying to find a good spot right there. Let's get my first bite. This is traditional Indonesian fish with spicy sauce. The fish itself is so tender, but you also still can get crispiness from the skin, you know, because they're gonna deep fry real quick. And the sauce, especially the lemongrass and the chili and the little citrusy from the lime dish, it combined really well. This is definitely one of the best Indonesian chicken with spicy sauce so far. But anyway, chef,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
The food is really good.
Thank you.
I can tell like why this food is one of the best seller. I know the reason why. It's super outstanding. Thank you so much for having a good time with us. To showing the people, my audience in the house, how to make traditional Indonesian fried fish with spicy sauce.
Thank you. My pleasure.
I wish you luck and you have a good day.
Thank you.
Alright?
Thank you.
This is the land where we're growing. Made of thousands of islands. A land with dynamics of its own, from city areas to remote areas. Facing challenges together. And here we are.
Hey there, how you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
I'm good. My name is Andre. I'm from Indoas.com. if you don't mind, I want to bother you a little bit here. What you having here in front of you?
Well, I had beef today.
Okay.
Yeah,
How do you like so far?
it was very good. It reminds me of Jakarta and Bali.
Nice. You've been in Jakarta and Bali before?
Yes, many times. My wife is from Bali.
Oh, excellent. How do you like the Indonesian cuisine, especially here in Doeloe?
This is really the first time we had it in the U.S.
Right?
We're from Oklahoma City. There's not much out
Oh,
west.
I see. So you're not from in the area right now? You're
No,
from
my
Oklahoma.
parents are from Georgia.
Ah, okay, excellent. How do you know about this place actually?
My wife's Facebook friends.
Oh.
The Indonesian community, they
Right.
go through with finding different restaurants, finding food. I mean, it's amazing. They tell us where to go. They go and be around more Indonesians.
Right, excellent. Thank you very much for having time with me. I hope you're enjoying your meal and looking
Alright.
forward to see you again.
Thank
You
you.
have a good day.
You too.
Alright, bye. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm doing well. I apologize to bother your dinner time. I bet you just breakfasting your puasa today, right? So tell me a little bit what you're having over there. Soto mi, pecel ayam, right? That's really good. How do you like your meal so far over there? Tell me what you're having over there.
That's soto meat.
Uh-huh.
I usually order this.
Right.
Every single time.
Wow.
Every time in here, even like every week, he's still gonna do it. Every
Same
single
exactly
time.
feeling every single time. You guys been here a lot? Almost every.
He make me ashamed.
So you're officially Indonesian too, right?
Yeah, this is a whole Indonesian holiday.
That's cool. That's cool. You like spicy food? Yeah. How do you know about this place in particular? Your wife right here. Excellent. But anyways, thank you so much for having time with me. Enjoy your meal. I'm sorry again for bothering your time, and looking forward to see you guys in different circumstances.
Thank you.
All right. You guys have a good night. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alright guys, after we spent quite some time inside of Java Tempoe Doeloe, we had a good time. For sure, we tried that fish, that crispy fish with Indonesian spicy sauce was totally delicious. It's outstanding, awesome. And then it's already right here, the fish itself is really nice, the spiciness is really kicked to it. And for sure, if you guys in the area and you guys feeling to have a really nice fish, please make sure to stop by at Java Tempoe Doeloe. Anyway, I gotta go. It's getting dark in here. I gotta go back to the city. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'll see you again in next Indonesian culinary episode. You guys have a good day. Bye now.